In this video, we'll learn how to solve the problem in beam design. Okay. Actually, from this video, we'll start how to solve the maths. जहाँ पे बच्चे लोग प्रॉब्लम करते हैं, कंफ्यूजन जहाँ पे होता है. अभी तो बहुत ज्ञान दे दिया कंसेप्ट लास्ट वीडियो में, ठीक है. तो यहाँ से मैथ्स स्टार्ट होगा. ओके. तो लास्ट वीडियो में हमने डिस्कस किया है हाउ रिगार्डिंग ओवर एनफोर्समेंट सेक्शन. एंड बाय द वे, I am Samyati back to a new tutorial video regarding R.C.C lecture. In case you missed the video, you find the I section and just go and check out my last video. So basically, beam design में we categorize the maths or problem in three different methods or three different zones. One, you have to find moment of resistance. Secondly, find what is the actual stress developed. And third, we have to find design the section for given loading condition. So today in this video I'll discuss this first one. Next video we'll talk about second one. Next video we'll talk about third one. So in first problem, generally in question, given data was dimension, that means D, B, nominal cover given. Number 2, area of steel or dia of bar may given. Number 3, grade of steel and grade of concrete also given. Now question is that how should I find the moment of resistance? So that procedure, first we find the modular ratio, that is equal to 280 by 3 sigma CBC, and this sigma CBC you find from grade of concrete. Okay, now we find the critical neutral axis, that is M sigma CBC divided by sigma ST equal to NC by D minus NC. So from this NC is the critical neutral axis. Then we have to find actual neutral axis. That is B into N square by 2 equal to M AST D minus N. How we have find this? I made a video. How we'll find this? Also made a video. So my humble request, go to the playlist section and thoroughly see all the video before this chapter. Then everything will be clear for you. And now fourth is compare neutral axis actual with neutral axis balance section, and then you have to come with the decision, is it either under reinforcement section or over reinforcement section. If under reinforcement section, then M equal to sigma st a st t minus n by 3. If over reinforcement section, M equal to half sigma cbc b and d minus n by 3. बस काम खत्म. Now you have find the moment of resistance. So basically in under reinforcement section, N is less than in critical section, and over reinforcement section N less than in critical section. So yeah, this is the procedure. You have find the moment of resistance when dB is given, area of steel is given, grade of steel, grade of grade of concrete also given. Hope there will be no doubt. If you have some doubt, do comment in comment section. I will definitely get back to you. And if you find some value from this video, then make sure like the video, share the video to your group and circles, and subscribe the channel for getting lots of this type of content without cost, with free cost. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. In next video I will talk about how to find actual stress there. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay healthy.